brooms, and how this multi-tool is unreplaceable in every household. Today, we'll take you on a behind-the-scenes look at a broom factory to show you the complex process of making these everyday household items. We are now in Romania at Adidac, one of the biggest European broom producers. Adidac owns a 2,000-meter production facility that produces brooms from 1994 for European markets. Vlad is the one that takes care of this family business, started by his father in 1994 in a garage.
In Europe, in general, we appreciate the things that are traditional and the quality of the things we are using. In this factory, as you saw, we put a high accent on the tradition as well as on the quality of the products. Our mission here is to want that every single item is leaving our gates. We should be proud of it. We should be proud of the quality. And also, we are putting a high importance on the environment.
The process starts with the handle. Adidac is one of the largest manufacturers of wooden handles in Europe, producing handles for brooms, mops, and even shovels, rakes, spades, and other gardening tools. Logs are cut into timber, which is set on pellets and set out for drying. This drying process may take up to 3 weeks. Once the timber is dried, it is cut into squares and sorted. The squares are then taken to the handles manufacturing building, where they are going to many other processes, like rounding the handle, making the screw, making the hanging hole, labeling and packing. The broom is traditionally made out of sorghum, coming already dried out and cut at a certain length, and it takes several steps before it is ready to meet the handle. The process involves cutting the fiber to the right length, arranging them in a specific pattern. Sorghum will be cut to the required dimensions and prepared into batches. Skilled workers operate the machines and then are using hand skills into putting them tightly on the handle. Finally, the sorghum meets the handle and the broom is ready to serve any family and business according to their needs. Adidac's approach is highly ecological. All sawdust is being then processed into a modern pellets facility, closing the production circle with zero losses and even working on producing its own energy with solar panels. Finally, we'll head to the packaging area where the finished brooms are inspected, packed, and shipped to various retailers and distributors around the world. Now it starts Raben's logistic journey to the shelves in a store close to you.
Found in Raben a very great partner and a strong way to link our factory to the clients, especially given the fact that our clients are spread all across Europe. Raben is helping us getting them closer to our factory and products.
Pellets are carefully loaded in a truck and then unloaded in the nearest Raben depot. Here, they are then placed on the corresponding line for the specific European country. Let's follow a pellet on its trip to Germany. First stop, Rokyciany in Czech Republic. This European hub manages tens of direct connections to Germany. Goods from several East European countries are being sorted in this dedicated hub. Our brooms are being unloaded and loaded again on the destination line haul. At the destination depot, brooms are being loaded on the final truck that will deliver them to the shop, where we'll wait for your arrival. It takes about 4 days for the brooms to reach about any location in Germany, starting from the departure point in Romania. Raben can offer solutions for all European countries based on a huge network of own and partner depots. So next time you need a transport solution for your goods in Europe, just give us a sign and we shall be there ready to ride your goods to destination in no time. We connect Europe.